Hello everyone, it's Dave from JD Cycle Works. Today we have a pretty cool build here. This is a beautiful 2023 Road Glide. And it has a stock air filter with a little wider Ness air filter on it, element on it. We're running the Chromeworks 2-to-2 system with the louvered baffles. This bike here started off with a, ouch, my head, it's okay. Also, we went to a chain drive on here. You can see it. Lighting. So anyway, this bike started off as a 128 with Ward +2 heads. If you can see this. And it worked out pretty good. He wants to keep the thing looking stock. It's a pure sleeper, 100% sleeper. And anyway, he made out pretty good with the Ward +2 heads, TTS 250 cam, same exhaust you see, same air filter you see, 65mm throttle body. Yes, my notes are wrong. It's a 65mm horsepower ring throttle body. Now we started off, this next build is a 143, and we used a Cyclorama 550 cam. Same throttle body, a little bigger injector, same exhaust, same baffle, same air filter, same +2 Ward heads, same throttle body, which my notes are wrong. It's a 65 horsepower ink there. Sorry about that. Anyway, look at the change we got here. We went from 152 torque, 153 horse, and it was a 128 with the +2 heads at that time. Now we're at 165.4 foot-pounds of torque and 168 horsepower. So this is gonna be a screamer. Again, this is built completely as a sleeper. It's not gonna have mega monster top end horsepower numbers. We don't care about that. We're not going for that. We're just going for how much can we get. Have a big motor with some good components that work really well, have it reliable, and have how much power we get. And we got a heck of a lot here. 165 foot-pounds of torque and almost 170 horsepower. Looking like a stock bike going down the road is pretty darn cool. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. I'll keep trying to get them to you.